Hi guys, welcome to Selvin kitchen today guys. So today we are outside in my garden. So what we're doing now, so this is our potato guys. So Marissa is here. So Marissa we're gonna root up the potatoes them.
Yes.
So we're gonna move this piece of board first, get them out the way.
Oh, I see some potatoes in the ground.
So we have some potato over here. So we're gonna take away the barrier first.
Ew.
So this is our potato right here. So the leaf is dry off of the potato now guys. So the potato now is ready to come up. So I put some barrier here so they don't grow and come all over the place. So I just remove this barrier from here. And then after, we're just gonna pull up the potatoes then.
What's this?
Just pull them up.
Yay.
So we get these out the way.
I got some potatoes.
So we'll get that out the way. Take off that one potato there. This one, take it off.
Huh? Oh, okay. Can you eat the mini ones?
Yeah, you can eat the mini ones. So we get some small one and we have some big ones guys. So what we're doing now, we're just gonna use our hand. Just take up the potato.
Look at how much wood.
See Marissa there is getting that potato. Look at that.
Ew!
Look at that potato
It's
there.
infested.
This one infested with bugs, so this one is no good. So this one is good. You're gonna have some big one.
Okay.
You're gonna have some small one, guys.
This one better be okay. It's okay.
Wow, this is a nice big one here.
Oh yeah. Do you pull this one?
So over here guys, we have some more tomato over here, and we have some fresh thyme down there. Hi guys, welcome to Selvin kitchen today guys. So today we are outside in our garden. We're gonna reap some potato. But over here I'm gonna show you my tomato over here. Look at this nice beefy tomatoes over here. Over here we have a different type of tomato there. So we have some beautiful lovely tomato in Selvin garden guys. I have a little small garden, so what I do, I just plant up the little space what I have. And down here we have some bell pepper. I have some bell pepper here. If you look on the bell pepper tree there, this one having 1, 2, 3, 4 bell pepper on this tree. Hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful video in Selvin kitchen garden today guys. I have some tomato, I have some spring onion, and then I have some lovely beautiful bell pepper and some beautiful fresh mint. Hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful video in Selvin kitchen. So I will see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys stay safe. I'm back on YouTube now guys. I'm gonna try to post a video, one video every week. So enjoy yourself in Selvin kitchen.